Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it is pretty much a case of you have done it, and no one really cares why you have done it. So with that guys, I bring you this. PDP shuns Supreme Court's explanation on reasons for dismissing Atiku's appeal. So that's the headline. PDP shuns Supreme Court's explanation on reasons for dismissing Atiku's appeal. So now let's see now what's being said here. The People's Democratic Party on Friday shunned the Supreme Court's invitation to hear its reasons for dismissing the party's appeal against the election of President Muhammadu Buhari. The People's Democratic Party failed to make any representation at the Apex Court on Friday after the court notified the public of its decision to explain the October 30th decision which dismissed their appeal. The Supreme Court had on the 30th of October dismissed the appeal filed by the People's Democratic Party and its presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar against the September 11th decision of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, hours after beginning hearing into the same appeal. The court said it would give its reasons for dismissing the PDP's request on a date to be announced later. At the opening of the session on Friday, a counsel for the APC, Alex Izinho, informed the court that the PDP lawyers neither appeared in court nor sent their junior lawyers. He said he decided to draw the attention of the court to the absence of the appellants because he knew that the rules of the court ought to be obeyed. The court, however, said it will proceed with its reasons despite the absence of the PDP. The matter was still on as at the time of this report. So there you have it now. Look, it's just really nonsense, really. You've already given Buhari the verdict. So now who now cares about what reasons you have given the verdict to Buhari? Whatever reasons that you have given the verdict to Buhari will be published in the public domain, and we will all get to read it at some point and find out. It's not as though the lawyers can then probe your reasoning. You are just going to read out what you have done, and then you leave it there, and then you walk away, and that's the end of it. So really, there's absolutely no point really for the PDP and Atiku lawyers to be there. It's almost like you want to rub their nose in it, because we all know what transpired in that court. And I'm not really so much blaming the Supreme Court, by the way, because the Supreme Court will only really go on a technicality. And the Supreme Court, by the way, they do have some blame, because they do have the power to just overturn the whole thing and say, look, this is absolutely ridiculous and this is not in compliance with the law of this country, which it wasn't, and they can just cancel the whole election and ask for a rerun. They could have done that, and they could have suspended both parties as well. They could have cancelled that election, suspended Buhari and Atiku, and asked the country to rerun a completely fresh election. Maybe it would have been what's his name, the guy from Kaduna and one other. It could have been that. It could have been that guy versus Saraki or something. It could have been something completely different, but they did not do that. They just said, okay, just we don't care, just let it be. You know, so you said let it be, and let it be is let it be. So what other explanation does let it be have to be padded with for somebody to come and sit in court to listen to that explanation? So of course these people are busy people, and they have other cases to look into and to take care of and to pursue. So they've just gone about their other businesses. You've done what you have to do, and you've done what you intended to do, and the reasons why you have done it will be published. So they'll just wait to read it at some point, you know. So yeah, conversations in the comment section. I, for one, I agree with the PDP Atiku lawyers for not turning up, because really I'm not sure if they are compelled by law to turn up, and if they are not compelled by law to turn up, then I agree that they shouldn't really turn up, because like I said, it's just a case of trying to rub their nose in it. Conversations in the comment section, as I said. ahead, but before you come have this chart, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me if you agree or disagree with the PDP lawyers not turning up at the Supreme Court to hear their explanation as to why they gave Nigeria to Malam Buhari. Come tell me what your thoughts are on this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join in the comment section, but here I say